What's up, guys? Today's video, we are in Eugene, which is about 3 hours south of where we live, and we are almost at Insurance Auto Auction. We are picking up a car that I bought from the timed auction. It's a 2003 Nissan 350z with a manual transmission, gold in color. And the damage is extremely minor. So it said the damage is left side. I saw a few scuffs on the front fender, and then the rear bumper on the left side is kind of unclipped, maybe an inch or so. So I don't know what's going on. I hope this wasn't a bad buy. I know the VQ35 engines, the 6-cylinder 3.5 engines, are prone to burning a lot of oil. So I really hope this wasn't a setup. Insurance was the seller, but we will find out shortly. The auction is just straight ahead on the right hand side, and as you guys can see, there's snow here. Where we left, there is no snow. It was blue skies, kind of like this, but no snow whatsoever. Here we are. And I don't know if the car is here or off-site, so we will find out shortly. And this happened while we were driving. So we are currently rolling with no lights, no brakes, no nothing. The car is at an off-site location, sub-law, I don't know exactly what they call it. It's probably a 1.5 miles from where we just left. Oh, he ran the stop sign. I saw him do it. But here we are. We do not sell parts. I think we go there. Load out, personal owner, retain, right there. I think that's where we went last time. Yeah, that's just
load out. That's unload.
Load out. They load them out for you. That's where we picked up the G35 from last time. So just go there. And then forklift driver, hand him this nice slip, and he should pull out the car. Oh, I see a 370, which is not mine. With the trailer lights not working. I'm so glad that we're not picking up a huge car. 350z is fairly small. Shouldn't have any issues with visibility. Bad news, guys. And slightly annoying, because I gave the forklift driver the pull-out slip, and he said it's not at the off-site location, it's at the main original location, which we literally just came from. So we're going back there right now and figure out what the heck is going on and where the heck this car is. But that's kind of what I thought where it was. You have the yellow line. No. Actually good all the way. You're good all the way. So I thought the car was at the original location, but they sent us here. They said it's not there. So either the girl's kind of dumb, she's kind of dumb. We're just gonna leave it at that. And would you look at this? A train, and it's not moving. And I have no idea how long we will be here. Look at that, some train action. Like he's connecting him or something. Thankfully it's moving. It's been like 40 seconds or so, but I have no idea how long this thing is. Can't really see it. And we're stopped. And I see the end, but we are not moving.
He's moving backwards now.
He's backing up. What is this? This is torture. Especially if the car ends up being where we literally were to pay for it. Wood, graffiti. Looks like they redirected him on a different track. Oh boy, I really hope this is it. We have like 5, 6 cars behind us now. So we can't even really turn around with a trailer. This has to be a joke. Look, there's the end, or the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, keep going. Don't stop now. Keep at it. You can do it. Look, honestly, I have never seen this kind of action before, but when I gotta pick up a car and we have 30 minutes until the deadline and it will start getting dark and the trailer lights are not working, this is not what I want to be doing right now. That better be the last one. And yes, they are going up. Yes. Let's get out of here. Looks like this is what the train left. Possibly all of these. This is what the yard looks like. And guess what, guys? The car's here. Yeah, at this lot. The manager kind of gave the girl crap. She's like, what does the number say? She's like, S14. And she's like, yeah, it's here. What? S14. Yeah, that's here. Laughing? He won't be laughing no more. Watch. Darn it. Wait. This is the second time I got him. And you know what? I grabbed it and you started laughing. And you know what I said? I said, watch, she's not gonna be laughing anymore. You know what? I don't like coming out here and picking up cars, especially from Eugene. I don't know why. To me, it seems like a slightly depressing town type of deal. I see the car, it's coming out. But the reason why I came out here to pick it up, because it has extremely minimal damage and I want a quick sale. Today is Friday and I was hoping that maybe Saturday, Sunday I could get a buyer for it if it doesn't require a lot of work. And I figured if I'm gonna get someone to ship it for me, they might pick it up only on Monday or Tuesday, and that's just lost time. Plus it's cheaper to pick it up myself. Looks like the rear tires are bald. Andre, grab this. This is like a heck of a driftmobile. Closer. Tell him to bring closer. We'll push it. Huh? We'll push it closer. Is the e-brake not on? Yo, these tires are bald. Let's do a cold start. Yeah. Battery's dead. Let's get it jumped. Guys, these tires are super bald. You can see there's scuffs all around right here. This is why it got totaled out. All of this. And it's the same on the other side. So, you know, not necessarily a bad accident, but something like this will definitely total out a car. It needs brand new tires in the back, because running my fingers through the threads right here, I don't even feel them aside from the sides right here. Down in the center where the tire makes contact with the pavement, there's nothing.
That was my 350.
Okay, cold start 2.0. Yeah, guys, nothing special. It's all stock. Minor stuff right here on the bumper. Wait, pull it up. Rougher shape than I thought. Almost too good to be true. Want to find the tire size. And the door handle on this side is broken. So priority is get a new door handle, 2 new rear tires. The other thing I noticed is, see that? And there are no screws whatsoever missing here and here. So I'm assuming that it had some kind of aftermarket intake. It did, because look, even this is on really bad, which not a big deal. I have extra screws, I'll make it work. But aside from that, it sounds really great. It sounds really healthy. Don't know how the transmission is, but we'll find out once we get home. Let's hit the road. I know what he wants to do. Da. I knew that was coming. So we are a few minutes from my house. As you guys can see, it is dark out. It's about 7 p.m. So we left what, around 12:51, I believe it was.
Yeah.
So there you have it, almost 6 hours, if I'm doing my math right. I mean, we had a few stops, but we are almost home, and we're gonna get the trailer situated, unload the car, and then take the trailer back to my in-laws. But in the next video, hopefully I'll have an update for you guys. I already bought a new door handle. I will see if I could find some tires for the car, and we will go from there. But thank you so much for joining today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. So there won't be another video of this car. I'll quickly explain why. So these are the pictures of how I bought the car. Clearly you can't see the damage, the scratched up everything. Oops, let's try to zoom in here. You could see, the bumper, and that's kind of what I was going off of. The one thing I didn't really pay attention to and did not see was the door handle. When you look at it again, you can see that it's missing. I kind of could tell that the tires would possibly be bald. I was kind of hoping, since it's standing on dirt, maybe they kind of drove it through here, and that's why the tires look the way they do. But everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. So what happened? The following day, after we got the car home, I kind of cleaned it up, washed it a little bit, started poking around. It ran great, and I went and got tires. So I stopped by one shop, and they right away told me that the front right tire on this side right here has a bump in it. So they basically said you need 3 tires at the very least, but it's better to get 4. They didn't have any used 4 tires, and then they quoted me for like the cheapest brand new tires, 300 something bucks, which I told them no, and I went to a place not too far from that shop. There's actually a guy that I know that works there. He's the manager of that shop. So he actually hooked me up with almost brand new tires, all 4 tires, front and rear, for I believe $220 installed. And I took pictures of the car. I only cleaned up the interior. I didn't take it through the car wash or anything. Literally didn't change anything. I bought that door handle. The day after I posted it for sale, in the morning, a guy came out and bought this car. And then when I got the door handle, he stopped by again and picked it up from me. But, I initially said that I bought this car in hopes for a really quick flip, and I didn't want to wait for someone to come by and pick it up, like transport it for me. I'm happy I didn't wait, because I literally had the car for like 1 full day, and then I sold it, and I made a pretty good profit on it. I think I made like $1,300 or $1,400 on this car. But I was kind of sad that I didn't get to actually drive it, because it ran really well. Transmission didn't grind, didn't slip. They're the tires, almost brand new tires. It ran really well, and this was the touring edition, so it had heated seats, it had factory sub, it had navigation. I mean, it was just a fun car. I will definitely keep looking out for other 350Zs just because this one was so awesome. Sad that I didn't get to spend a lot of time with it, but 1200-1300 bucks in a day's worth of work, I'll take it any day. Thanks for watching, guys.